Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. SAPS Free State. Swift action by members of SAPS Phakwen Crime Prevention, supported by Traffic Department and Mangaung Law Enforcement, has led to the arrest of two individuals on the 23rd of October in connection with the possession and manufacturing of fraudulent official documents. These two, aged 50 and 51, were immediately arrested and will face charges of possession of fraudulent documents, fraud, forgery, and uttering. Ziningi imoto ezisemgwaqweni okungafanele zibe khona ngenxa lezenzo zalabantu. Ziningi imoto zabantu ezebiwe kwaguqulwa amaphepha kwenziwa yonke into ngenxa yalabantu abenza lo msebenzi. Ayikho into engijabulisa njengokufunda i-article njengale esichazelayo ukuthi amaphoyisa abophe abantu abenza lo msebenzi obulala isizwe. Thina nje sihlala emalokishini ukugibela itaxi nawe oyibonayo ukuthi ayilena noma kuthiwa i-corruption umuntu ongakholelwa ukuthi ikhona, kodwa ukubala kwale moto nje emgwaqeni kuyakukhombisa ukuthi kune-corruption. Ungazange waze wayibona, kodwa nje ukuba kwale moto emgwaqweni kuyakukhombisa ukuthi kune-corruption. Thutha umphakathi. Mina ngikhuluma ngemoto ukuthi imalini izulu mayinyathela amanzi angene ngaphakathi. Imoto mawungawisa 2 rand izowela esikontirini phansi kuyitiyela ngendlela okuyiyo. Imoto ukuthi imalini izulu ohleli ngapha efasteleni athi ukuqhela kancane ngoba amanzi ayangena. Uma kusebusika ukujabulela ukuhlala ngasefasteleni ngoba kunomoya ongena kabuhlungu la kule ungena kulama fastela. Imoto ezobona ukuthi akufanelanga ngabe zisendleleni kodwa zinemithelo. Zinjalo. Futhi zidlula phambi kwamaphoyisa nsuku zonke ngoba bakhipha okweshumi, bakhipha 20 rand bese bayadlula. Article esibili ithi the South African Police Services has seized illegal imported cell phones, mainly Apple iPhone and Samsung gadgets, and cell phone accessories valued at more than 17 million rand, along with two-way radios, IMEI and ICASA labeled during a takedown operation conducted this week in Fortsburg, Johannesburg. A multidisciplinary team acted on intelligence regarding illegally imported electronics devices and related items being stored and sold in Fortsburg Mall. The operation comprised members from the SAPS Commercial Crime Investigation Unit, Border Policing, the Johannesburg Local Criminal Record Center, the Independent Communication Authority of South Africa, also known as ICASA, and private security personnel. More than 1,000 non-type approved devices and related items were confiscated for being in contravention of the Customs and Excise Act and the Electronic Communications Act. A non-type approved cell phone is any device that has not been certified by the Independent Communications Authority of South Africa, also known as ICASA. According to Section 35 of the Electronics Communication Act, no person may use, supply, sell, offer for sale, lease or hire any type of electronics communication equipment or electronics communication facility, including radio apparatus, used or to be used in connection with the provision of electronic communication, unless such equipment, electronics communications facility or radio apparatus has been approved by the authority. All confiscated items have been transported to ICASA storage facility for safekeeping and further analysis, while investigations remain ongoing. Siphila esikhathini se-technology lapho khona uthi usendlini ubukwazi ukwenza i-shopping eChina. Siphila kuleso sikhathi lapho ukwazi khona ukukhuluma nama-manufacturer, uthenga ama-cellphone nezinto ey'thize le eChina ungazange waya khona. Kodwa inkinga esikhona manje ngokomthetho la eSouth Africa, uma uzothenga mhlambe ngenhloso yokuthengisa lawo ma-cellphone njengoba kuthola lama-iPhone nama-gadgets we-Samsung, funeka urejiste ne-ICASA. Angiyazi application yakhona ithatha isikhathi esingakanani, angiyazi ibiza malini. Engifisa mina ukuthi abasiphethe bangakwenza ukuyibuka lento ukuthi bangayenza kanjani ukuze abantu bakwazi ukucomplya. Ngoba enye into eyinkinga ukubanzima kokuthola i-information. Kuba khona abantu nje abafana nami abebengazi ukuthi uma uzothenga lezi zinto ngenhloso yokuthenga nokuthengisa ama-cellphone lawa ney'nto ezithize ezibalwayo, kufanele urejiste ne-ICASA, kufuneka zi-approve i-ICASA. Leyo process ithatha isikhathi esingakanani, kwenza malini? Kanti ngapha wena uma unayo indlela yokusebenza uyakwazi ukuthenga eChina ubuye uthengise la, uqhubeke nempilo, impilo iqhubeke iye phambili. So kufaneke beze nendlela ezokwenza ukuthi kube lula kubantu ukuze abantu okokuqala bayithole information. Okwesibili, ukuze bezocomplya ngoba lena indlela abazenzela ngayo imali nabakhanda futhi ngayo amathuba omsebenzi. Njengoba uzwa nje kuthiwa labantu bathengisa eFortsburg Mall, emall phakathi. So uyabona ukuthi kunabantu abaqashiwe lapha, akukhathalekile noma babili noma uyedwa, kodwa and labantu baspenda imali. Yabona into ey'thathwe ngamaphoyisa manje baspenda imali ukuze zifike la eSouth Africa. Ukuze zifike baspenda imali ngoba ukuthenga le China u-importer uletha ngapha zize zifike kuwe. Umsebenzi wabo bona bese ukuthi bathengise futhi bayarenta laphaya eFortsburg. So bekufuneka iy'khulu zethu zithi siyenza kanjani lento ukuze abantu bekwazi ukucomplya. Ekugcineni kosuku umsebenzi wabo ungaphazamiseki ngoba labantu abayebanga lento bayithengile ukuthi nje abarejistanga ne-ICASA. Udaba engizokhuluma ngalo kudaba lokugcina luthinta omalume laba abalayisha iy'ngane zesikoleni. Futhi kubalulekile ukuthi sikhulume ngalolu daba ngoba uma ngakwenza kwabo lento esokhuluma ngayo la babeka iy'mpilo zey'ngane engcupheni. Okumyalelo ophuthumayo nobalulekile. All scholar transport taxis and vehicle must comply with regulations, or vehicle will be impounded. From the end of October, enforcement campaigns will intensify. During a patrol in Orange Farm, we identify a scholar transport vehicle that was overloaded with people carrying students, smoking an orca pipe, operated by a driver without a valid license or professional driving permit, also known as PDP, not registered as a scholar transport vehicle. Stop overloading school children. Ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Bengithi angikulethele le video ngikwazise nje isimemezelo lesi ebesikhuluma ngomalume abalayisha iy'ngane lezi eziyesikoleni. Siphinde ngikwazise ukuthi amaphoyisa kulezi nsuku ayabopha wadlali. Kodwa udaba engifisa ukukhuluma ngalo kakhulu ilele ICASA, ukuthi abenzi information ifinyelele kubantu, abenzi ukuthi abantu babe nalo ulwazi ukuze abantu bezocomplya. Angikholwa mina ukuthi abantu abafuni ukucomplya, angikholwa mina ukuthi abantu ngoba bengafuni ukucomplya, kodwa ingenxa yokungabi nalwazi. Asiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho, mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo.